Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a questionnaire for students in which they have one answer, it takes them to one page, and if they have a different answer, it'll take them to a very different page. Okay, here's how we do it. I've already, of course, added in the title, as you can see here, which is WikiLeaks, Weigh In on the Issue. I've made it so that the Sacred Heart login is there to view it, and it automatically collects the username, so we don't have to worry about putting name on this. It's automatically going to collect their names. And the Weigh In on the Issue. Okay, so we're going to add an item here, and it's going to be a multiple choice, and the question is, should WikiLeaks exist? Oops, would be nice if we could spell. Okay, should WikiLeaks exist? Of course, option 1 is yes, and of course, option 2 is no. Okay, so we're going to go to a page based on their answers, but that means we have to create pages. Okay, so that's our next step. So our next step is to insert a page break. And this untitled page is going to be the yes page. And on the yes page, it's going to say, watch the video to gather information to substantiate your stance. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to insert a video. That is the video I want, but I wanted to show you that I went to YouTube, I found the video, you copy the link, say command, you copy the link, command copy, and you go back to WikiLeaks, and you paste it in here, and then you go to search, and then it brings it up, and then what you do is you click on it, and you click select. And there's the video. Now we need the title. I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to copy and paste the title. Command copy. I'm going to go back to the WikiLeaks and I'm going to command paste, and there's the title. I'm not going to put the caption in. Now that's done. But the next thing I'm going to do is I definitely would like to add the question. And so do I want this more in the middle or to the side? Let's put it in the middle. Okay, done. And now I'm going to add the item, and it's going to be a paragraph text because they're writing a question. So write a paragraph or more with facts to substantiate why WikiLeaks should exist. Okay, so that's what they're going to do, and that's all there. So that's the yes page. Now we of course had to add another page, which is going to be the no page. So we're going to insert, and we're going to go to page break, and this is going to be the no page. And then we're going to say, oops, I keep doing that with WikiLeaks. WikiLeaks should not exist. Okay, and we're going to, I want to add the item. I'm going to say, read this article to gather, if I could spell right, gather facts to substantiate your stance. Okay, and now I have an article here. I have an article here which I want to bring up, and there it is. So I'm going to say command copy. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to hit return. I'm going to say command paste. There's the article I want them to read. So then I'm going to just add the item, which of course is again the paragraph, and it's going to say WikiLeaks should not exist. Okay. And then I'm going to say back up your stance with facts from the article. Okay, there we are. So now let's see if we've got it done. So I'm going to say done. And let's go to View Live Form. And let's see how it looks. I've already picked out a theme, by the way, so I just chose this really simple. Let's see how it works. Should WikiLeaks exist? If I say yes, and I go to continue, it goes to this page. Watch the video, gather information. There's the video, and then they can, of course, write their answers. Okay, and if they go to continue, where does it go? It goes to the no page. Well, let's go back, actually, and let's see how it works if they go back to the no. If I go back one more. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. What did I just do? I got rid of it. Oh, no. All right, so let's go back to my form. Done. Let's go into view live form. Let's look at the no. If I go to no, I hit continue. How come no came out the same as yes? I know why. I didn't fix it on the form. So let's go to the form. Perfect chance. You got to try it out. Make sure it works. So let's go see what I've got here. So if it's yes, I didn't go back to here. So let's edit this now. So if it's yes, it continues to the yes page. And if it's no, it has to continue to the no page. There we go. Didn't fix that. See, that's why you have to try them out to make sure they're done right. All right, let's go back to View Live Form. Okay, so if I go to yes, and I go to continue, it goes to the yes, and then we have their question, and they can answer it. And if I go back, excuse me, and I go to no, and I go to continue, and it goes to the no page. And they can read their article, and it's perfect. Okay, good. Close the article. It goes back here, and then they can hit submit when they're done. Perfect, and it's done. So now you know how to create one of these. Again, try it out once you do it. Make sure it works, okay? Oh, I see a mistake too, actually. When I say WikiLeaks up here, I want that to be a capital. So I'm going to go back to the form. I'm going to edit that. Again, the more you look at things, the more you see sometimes what you need to be doing. So if I go back to here, and I go back here, and WikiLeaks there, that's done correctly now. So again, check your spelling, double check your work. I always try to do that and tell the children or the students to do it, so I should be doing it too. There we are. Now you've created a form, and they go to different areas, and it's a wrap. Now down here, I didn't want to do any of this. I didn't want them show link to submit another response because I don't want them submitting two. I didn't want to publish to show their results because there's no need to. And allow respondents to edit responses after submitting. I don't want them to have any of that checked. So that is the end of the form, and that's how you do it. Yeah, I added a video, I added a link, and I showed you how to add pages. A lot of good information in this one video. Now, you try it.